guess what we're doing today? We're gonna see random animals. First, we're gonna see the monkey, which is right here. And now we're gonna go in the zoo. We'll show you everything on the way.
You are the monkey. Call me a monkey.
Welcome to Panaewa Rainforest something zoo. Forget the whole name. Rainforest Zoo. Where we find a bunch of... I don't know the actual intro for this, but...
Glass sugar coated. That's why it's so sweet. Like a candied apple at the county fair on a Saturday evening. Love your funnel cakes for the fun of it. Got me wanting more, I can't get enough of it. Sugar high, yeah, I'm loving it. Let me take a cruise in your candy shop. You know I love it when you open up. Airhead, got me flying. Sour sweet on you, sour patch, got me wanting, oh yeah. Tiramisu, like I miss you, so can I get another piece? Chantilly and shortcake with strawberry. Girl, you got me on my knees like, oh baby, you to be mine. Reason why I'm feeling that sweet spot, baby girl.
I can see you. Yeah, I remember you. Every time I come here, we always have arguments. Well, you have nothing to say? You're still cute. Apparently. Oh yeah.
He's mad.
You think you can juke me? You must remember me, bro. You must remember me. Oh, that was actually kind of cute. Not gonna lie. Say bye then. This is the owl. You can't see him because of the double-layered gate, but he's not visible from the front either. Alright, we can try at least. Oh yeah, we can see. Kind of see him. This is the mini pig exhibit, also known as my brother and sister. Guys, my siblings are famous. This animal is what I'm most afraid of in this exhibit. And there's tigers here, just letting you know. Huh?
Is there a donkey in the back?
I know there is a donkey here.
Well, you guys saw that.
Quick, speak parcel tongue. Check it out. We found Flash. Can't see him too much. Huh?
Tell him the joke.
Oh, I forget the joke. What was the joke?
I don't know.
Damn it. Evil little things. Call them horny birds. Look, Beb, it's your people. He's so cute. Hey, this little guy.
The bottom one.
Too lazy to go up with everybody else. So let's go check out the other monkeys. This is the monkey that tried to grab my hair. Remember when we were taking pictures? Oh yeah, Mom was saying this though. Yeah, it is pretty funny, huh? How are you doing, babe? You okay? Mm-hmm. It's freaking hot. I'm dying. I'm melting.
You're a witch.
What?
You're a witch.
You're a witch.
You're a witch.
Witch.
At least I'm not lucky.
Here's the queen. like he's eating right now. Hey guys. Yeah, they chilling. Chilling. They're actually really clean. Poor guy's sleeping. I think they're nocturnal. There's one more over here. I don't see him though. Hmm?
That's your face.
That is not my. Does that look? That is not my face. That is not my face. Not my face. How dare you? He's looking for the cart, the food cart. I think feeding time is almost here. Must be because he's looking for the guy. Poor guy's hungry. Let's go. Let's go smuggle him out and take him to McDonald's.
Okay.
Thought you could hide from me, huh? Yeah, look. He's like, you follow me now, I'm gonna have to kill you. No witnesses. You guys can't really see him. He's right over. Yeah. There's only the orange one that I can see. But there's an orange one and there's a white one. Bengal tiger. So far I can only see the orange one. If you can see it. Here's the whole one,
He's pouting. I didn't get no sushi.
He has the same attitude as you. Anella's favorite. Not the emu, but the donkey. Donkey! I'm just basking in the sun, this one, the shade. It's your favorite. Alright, so that's all we got at this zoo so far. There's actually less than there was when I last came here, which was a while ago, but I'm assuming it's because of COVID and stuff. Kind of sad we couldn't really get a good view of the tigers, but you know, it's freaking hot, so I don't blame the tigers either. I'm pretty sure like feeding time is like 4 hours from now, so we're not gonna stay here for 4 hours. Yeah. But if you ever come down to Hawaii, here's one spot that you can go to if you ever are in the hotel thinking, what the hell are we supposed to do here in the Big Island? We'll go look at some animals at the zoo.
Even though sometimes they just land in the corner or something.
Yeah. I mean, it's like an hour and a half drive. Nothing. And it's free. It's free.
Unless you want gifts.
Yeah. But anyways, yeah, that's the rest of the zoo. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip with us. We sure as hell
We're
enjoyed.
taking them to sushi with us.
I guess you guys are gonna come eat sushi with us.
So we're finally. They can't hear me if I'm all the way over here.
Actually, I'm squeezing.
We're finally getting sushi. We're at Keiki Sushi right now. Just currently ordering. I don't know what I want yet. We got some spicy ahi. What else we got?
Spicy tuna.
Fish, spicy fish. We got unagi. Some salmon.
I thought that was eel. Is that eel?
Eel is unagi. Oh wait, it's I'll eat the unagi first.
I'm squished.
Oishi. To bring some shoyu, wasabi shoyu. Well, we just got sukiyaki fries.
And he has another sushi. I don't know where. Even though he just. You're supposed to tell them what the sushi is called.
Oh, I don't remember what it's called.
And then
It's like a seafood roll or something.
And then I have the deep fried patty roll that he doesn't like the
Oh, here's the sukiyaki fries. Well, let's get a better look.
I feel like you should make this.
The fries? I made it at work.
You ate it.
Yeah, it was good. The only thing is we don't have that type of sukiyaki. We have teriyaki. Oh, it's all now. That's pretty good. Here, eat one. I said eat.
Are you gonna tell them what else you got?
I got udon. As you can see. Apparently not privacy.
We're just waiting for him to finish and we can go. Hey guys, so before we skip to the actual outro of this video, I want to give a big shout out to my older cousin for the background music that we've been using for this video. If you want to follow him, I'll leave his socials somewhere over here. So, well, I'll leave his Instagram somewhere on the screen, and you guys can give him a follow. The song is called Sweet Spot, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. And it's a song that, so if you guys definitely want to check that out, go ahead and follow him on Instagram at moke.go. So yeah, I'll cut back to the video.
I have allergies.
Allergy.
Oh my God. So, totally forgot to film our outro. After Genki Sushi, we came home, and then we went straight to sleep. And then we woke up, and we were like, I want hot Cheetos. So then we went to go grab hot Cheetos, and then we came home, and we're like, damn, we forgot about the outro. So, I hope you guys had fun today. I definitely did. I'm gonna get rid of this. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. If you
guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what else you guys want to do. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Anything else?
Don't do drugs, kids.
Bye.
You to be my reason why.